I've been a general dentist for 22 years now, and I've always been wanting to learn more and grow in the clinical side of things and in business skills and knowledge. And until I came across TTI, most of the consultants that I've used, they've taught me a lot, but there wasn't ever a real measurable difference afterwards, if that makes sense. So, having the increases that we've had in patient care and production that follows from that is, with TTI just in the past 6 months, has been profound. The biggest thing that I've seen so far is allowing patients to choose more preventive services in the hygiene department. Talking about preventive treatments that can be chosen by the patient to prevent cavities, and not just cleaning teeth and sending them on their way. Getting them involved in the process to make a decision of what is best for them and their prevention, and for the health of their teeth, for their life. And we're glad to be able to offer that patient the service, and the production that follows from that is very beneficial to the business. I was skeptical, and there's always there's a good reason to be. I mean, you want to be cautious there, because there are things out there that they say they benefit you, but they're not. They're in it for themselves, and you can tell. But I truly believe that Team Training Institute really wants their clients to succeed, and if you do what they suggest, and if it's going to follow. It works. Just trust in the process and follow it through. I would recommend Team Training Institute if you're looking for a way to have measurable improvements in patient care and also practice profitability. I think that the diagnosing percentage that has increased by 22% is a measurement of how much more preventive options we're giving to patients to choose from. After practicing for 21 years, I would always just think of prevention as, I don't know if the science is there for that. I don't know if it's just for kids, sealants and, but after I thought about it and I realized that I would want to choose preventive options if I knew they were available to me in any part of my health improvement. Well, I'm the chief health officer for the patient's mouths. Why am I not giving the patient the choice to do it? So for me, it's like this moral, I have to let you know that you have this opportunity to prevent problems. So to me, that's something I'm very passionate about, and that I want to make sure that I give the patient the opportunity to do the right things and the best things for themselves. Yeah, I mean, but when Bert came over, our hygiene coach, and showed us the statistics and showed us the science behind how these preventive services actually prevent problems, and why are we not thinking that adults could benefit from it too? It's not just for children. That's how it's the education behind the coaching coming out, and they're not just telling you, oh, do this and you'll make more money. No, do this because it works, and if patients choose it, you're improving their health. I think being most proud of a team, even though we've had turnover in team members, a team that is still striving for excellence and growth and working together as a team, and doing it with cheer. And the patients feel that. So we've created an environment in our practice that patients give us feedback that they feel that they have this positive energy in the practice. And being able to build that and preserve that is something to be proud of. Being able to establish a mission statement and some core values that we, as a team, have all come to an agreement in being able to live towards, and rewarding ourselves and patting ourselves on the back and celebrating the wins, and Team Training Institute showing us how that's important, and then having the team hear it for themselves and not just from me. That's the other thing that was different about Team Training Institute consulting versus others. It would just be me sitting with a consultant, and I'd be left to say, okay, what do I do now? How do I get them to do this? How do I teach them everything you just taught me? Yeah, I mean, having them teach me those skills of being coached myself so that I can coach them, that helps a lot. What I was able to take from GPS is an inspiration of what is possible, and showing us where the opportunities are, showing me where the opportunity can be to grow the practice and to have a lasting legacy that can continue to be bigger than I am, be bigger than the practice itself, be more than what it is currently there.